Switch Dazzles. So guys, Holi, the festival of colors and celebration, is just around the corner and we all want to be a part of it. But the post-Holi skin and hair damage really bothers me, and I'm sure it bothers you too. So here are some tips to prevent the Holi mess. Use organic colors or herbal colors because they're so much more safer than the chemical colors. Put on nail paint to prevent the Holi colors from sticking to your nails for weeks later. Guys could use a transparent nail polish to prevent showing off their pink stained nails in office. Play with dry colors if possible and dust off the color whenever you can. Keep yourself hydrated, drink lots of water. If you don't like water, then you can drink juice or glucose. Just stay hydrated. Don't grab any food with color smeared hands. Along with that delicious bite, you could also be taking in chemicals. While playing, if you feel any skin irritation or itchiness, wash off the colors immediately with loads of water. Moisturize your face really well and apply a thick coat of sunscreen with at least 30 SPF. Sunscreen is really important because you'll be out there under the sun playing and having fun, and the chances of getting tanned are really high. So a good sunscreen is a must. Moisturize your body, put on loads of sunscreen and then apply coconut oil or olive oil or almond oil since it is rich in vitamin E. So this forms a protective layer between your skin and the color, so the chances of the color sticking to your body are really less. For your lips, apply Vaseline or a lip balm generously to keep them moisturized. Apply coconut oil on your hair to prevent the colors from damaging your hair cuticles, and also the colors don't stick to your hair, so it becomes so much more easier to remove them later. If you don't like applying hair oil on your hair, apply a leave-in conditioner or a hair serum. Also tie your hair in a braid or bun so that the hair does not absorb the colors too easily. You can also wear a scarf or bandana. Bandana looks really cool. So for makeup, use waterproof makeup. Stay tuned because in this video, I'll also be showing you a Holi makeup tutorial. Dress well and show as much less skin as you can. I would love to wear a full-length denim and pair it up with a white full-sleeved cute top. Or if I'm wearing ethnic, then I would love to wear a white full-sleeved kurti and pair it up with red or pink or any bright colored bottoms. We all want to have fun and wear cute shorts and tank tops, but save it for the Holi after party. So after you're done with Holi, after you've played, use a very gentle face wash or a cleansing cream and rub your face very gently with your fingers. Avoid using any kind of scrub. If you really want to use scrub, then you can use natural scrub, which is besan, and it's also called gram flour. After your bath, apply moisturizer on your face and body on damp skin, since it helps to lock the moisture. Shampoo your hair, use baby shampoos because baby shampoos are really gentle, and apply a conditioner all over the length of your hair. Avoid using any kind of heat tools on your hair like blow dry or straightener. Just let your hair dry up naturally. Now let's get the tutorial started. So guys, this is a Holi makeup look. I want to go out and have fun and play with colors. I want to stick to mainly waterproof products. So I've already moisturized my skin with this Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, and I've put loads of sunscreen on my face and neck. This sunscreen is from Lash Shield and it has SPF 40 in it. Now I'm going to put on primer, and the primer I'm going to use is this L'Oreal Base Magique Transforming Smoothing Primer. I'm going to put on this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer just under my eyes in very little quantity. If you want, you can skip the concealer. The foundation I'm going to use is my trusty MAC Face and Body Foundation, and it is a waterproof foundation. Now I'm going to set my face with the MAC Studio Fix Powder. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use this Rimmel pencil. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on a waterproof mascara. I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now I'm going to contour my eyes because I feel my eyes are looking very flat. Using this Maybelline Master Contour Palette, it is in the shade medium to deep, and I'm going to use this shade. And whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to drag it all over my eyelids. I'm not going to take any extra product. Do the same to the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to use this kohl pencil from Avon, the one, and it is in the shade Glitter Black, and put it just near the lash line, just on the outer third of the eyes. Do the same to the bottom lash line. And I'm going to smudge it using my finger. I'm going to put on lip balm now, and this is from Maybelline, and it's the Baby Lips in the shade Pink Bloom. This is a lightly tinted lip balm, so I'm not using any lipstick today. I'm going to put on a little bit of highlighter, and if you want you can skip this step. The highlighter I'm going to use is from Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and it is this shade. I'm going to put on a cream blush today. Everything I put on is in a very sparing quantity. The blush I'm going to use is from Maybelline, and it's the Dream Touch blush, and it is in the shade number 7. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. It's natural, it's sweet, it's simple, and it is really quick. I personally tried out this makeup when I went to a water park, and even though I was in the water for over 2 hours, the makeup did not move. Guys, enjoy your Holi, have fun, play with colors, but be safe. I'll be back with another Holi video, and this will be a fun Holi after party makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.